Now let's say we built an artifact and we've stored it in the artifact repository and also copied that to a server to start the application. Now, how do you run the application with this artifact? The command for executing a jar file, for example, is java-jar, the name of the jar file. And if we execute, we're going to see the application is running. In the same way, I can execute the jar file of Java Maven application like this. Target. And there you go, the application in the jar file just started. So if you are on a fresh server where you have Java installed, you can download the artifact from the repository and start the application using this command.